Beginner's Guide to Artificial Intelligence. Full 3-part lecture script video 1. Introduction to AI and how it's changing the world. Opening hook. Artificial intelligence isn't coming. It's already here. Every time you speak to your phone, ask Alexa to play a song, or see Netflix suggesting exactly the movie you were in the mood for, you're experiencing AI at work. It's quietly embedded in our daily lives, shaping our decisions, and in many cases, making them for us. So, what exactly is AI? AI, or artificial intelligence, is when machines can perform tasks that would normally require human intelligence. Things like understanding speech, recognizing patterns, making decisions, or even creating art. In traditional programming, you give the computer step-by-step instructions. It follows them exactly, and it will never do more than what you told it to. AI, on the other hand, is different. You give it data, it learns patterns from that data, and it can improve over time. Everyday AI examples. Let's take a moment to realize how much AI we use every day. Voice assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant. They understand what you say and give relevant answers. Google Maps. It predicts traffic based on historical patterns and live data. E-commerce recommendations, like Amazon suggesting products you're likely to buy. Spam filters, catching unwanted emails before they hit your inbox. Language translation tools, instantly converting text or speech into another language. Chatbots like ChatGPT, answering questions, writing content, or assisting with research. The branches of AI is a broad field, but here are the main areas you'll hear about. Machine learning, the core of modern AI, where systems learn from data instead of being explicitly programmed. Deep learning, a more advanced form of machine learning that uses neural networks to handle complex tasks like image recognition or speech understanding. Natural language processing, NLP, enables computers to understand and respond in human language. Computer vision allows machines to interpret and understand images and videos. Robotics combines AI with physical machines to interact with the real world. Expert systems, decision-making tools based on a set of rules and knowledge. Why AI matters? AI matters because it can do things faster, more accurately, and more consistently than humans. It helps doctors diagnose diseases earlier, helps banks detect fraud in seconds, personalizes your online shopping, and even helps teachers tailor lessons to individual students. Closing for part 1. In the past decade, AI has gone from being a lab experiment to something we carry in our pockets, and we're just getting started. In the next video, we'll go deeper. We'll look at how AI actually learns and makes decisions, so you can understand the technology behind the magic.
Video 2. How AI learns and core concepts you must know. Opening recap. In part 1, we explored what AI is and where we see it in action. Now, let's lift the hood and see what's really going on inside these systems. Data, the fuel of AI. Think of AI as a car. Without fuel, it goes nowhere. For AI, that fuel is data. The more high-quality data it has, the better it performs. For example, if you train an AI to recognize cats, you need thousands, sometimes millions, of images of cats in different positions, lighting, and breeds. The 3 main ways AI learns. Supervised learning. You give the AI examples along with the correct answers, and it learns to match inputs to outputs. It's like teaching a child what's a dog and what's a cat by showing labeled pictures. Unsupervised learning. You give the AI data without labels, and it finds patterns on its own. This is like giving a detective a pile of evidence and asking them to find connections without telling them the answer. Reinforcement learning. The AI learns by trial and error, receiving rewards for good actions and penalties for mistakes, similar to training a dog with treats. Neural networks. Explained. Simply, neural networks are at the heart of deep learning. They're inspired by the human brain, made up of layers of interconnected neurons. Information flows through these layers, and with each pass, the system adjusts small internal values, called weights, to get closer to the correct output. Where AI excels and where it struggles. AI is brilliant at spotting patterns in massive amounts of data. It can process in seconds what would take humans years. But it struggles with things that seem obvious to us, like understanding context, having emotions, or thinking creatively in the same way humans do. Closing for part 2. Now you know how AI learns, through data, examples, and patterns. But knowledge is only half the journey. In the final part, we'll get practical. I'll show you the tools you can use today and walk you through a simple AI project you can try yourself.
Video 3, Getting Started with AI, Tools, Skills, and Your First Project. Opening motivation. Here's the good news. You don't need to be a coder or a mathematician to start using AI. The tools are more beginner-friendly than ever, and you can create something today, even if you've never written a single line of code. Beginner-friendly AI tools. If you want to experiment without programming, try these. ChatGPT. Generate text, brainstorm ideas, summarize articles. DALL-E or Midjourney. Create images from written descriptions. Runway ML-AI tools for video editing and content creation. Teachable Machine. Train simple AI models in your browser using images, sounds, or poses. Low code and programming options. If you want more control, learn basic Python. Use libraries like TensorFlow, PyTorch, or Scikit-learn. Try Google Colab, a free platform for running AI code. Connect to AI APIs like OpenAI, Google Cloud, or Microsoft Azure. Skills you'll need: understanding basic statistics and probability, knowing how to find, clean, and organize data. Prompt engineering, the art of asking AI the right questions. Critical thinking to evaluate results. Ethical awareness, using AI responsibly and avoiding bias. Your first AI project example, predicting house prices. Let's say you want to predict the price of a house. 1. Define the problem. 2. Collect a dataset from a site like Kaggle. 3. Clean the data by removing missing or incorrect values. Choose a simple model, like linear regression. 5. Train the model with your dataset. 6. Test it to see how accurate it is. 7. Improve it by adding more features or trying different models. The future of AI and your role AI is here to stay, and it will continue to grow more powerful. The question is, will you just be a consumer of AI, or will you also be a creator? Final closing: artificial intelligence isn't magic, it's a tool. A tool powered by data, shaped by human creativity, and guided by human values. Now you have the foundation to not only understand AI, but to start using it yourself. The next move is yours.